Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Vikas Singh. So I want to welcome you to the new course, which is Microsoft Intune plus Microsoft Entra ID Complete Master Course 2016, and this is going to be a 0 to expert course. So if you are a IT beginner or help desk engineer, desktop support engineer or system administrator, or maybe a Windows administrator, infrastructure administrator, cloud administrator, or someone preparing for the Microsoft certification or enterprise role, so then this course is designed specifically for you. So thank you for taking time to join this learning journey, and I truly appreciate your decision to invest your valuable time in improving your technical skills and advancing your career. So this is not just another theory based course where we will only discuss the concept and through the PowerPoint slides. So this course is designed to completely from the enterprise perspective. So everything what you will learn throughout this course is based on the real world example and real administrative task and real troubleshooting scenario, and everything is going to be a practical hands-on lab demo with the hands-on lab demonstration. So my objective is to help you to become a confident enough to deploy, manage, secure, and troubleshoot basically Microsoft environments such as Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID in the production environment. So by end of this course, you should not only understand the concept but also feel comfortable implementing your own lab or your organization, basically, or your clients where you want to implement Microsoft Intune or Microsoft Entra ID from beginner. So let me show you. This is my lab environment. So what I did, so I'll discuss about the complete infrastructure. However, let me go and show you what we are going to use. So in this course, this is going to be a recommended infrastructure lab architecture. So I have a these are my cloud specifications basically. So I got internet, and then I have signed up with the Microsoft 365 tenant, which has a business premium, Intune and Entra ID. And then we are going to have a Microsoft Entra ID and then Microsoft Intune, and then we are going to have a complete on-premises lab. So this is not only where we are going to discuss our cloud only or on-premises only. So we are going to discuss about hybrid identity, and we are going to see both cloud only and a hybrid deployment. So I have planned more than basically 300 around 300 topics which I'm going to discuss in this video in throughout this course. So this is the 30 video. So if you see introduction to the course, then we are going to discuss what is Microsoft Intune, what is Intro ID, and then we are going to set up our lab infrastructure where we are going to install the Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, everything, and then we are going to have our basically Microsoft intra administration, and then we are going to configure our hybrid identity. Then we are going to work on basically device enrollment, configuration profiles basically. So everything. Then we are going to have a application management, endpoint security, conditional and access and compliance, then Windows update, Windows pilot, Windows autopilot, then monitoring and reporting automation. Then we are going to see the enterprise projects, advanced enterprise topics also. So we are going to cover a lot of modules and basically labs in this course. So I highly recommend go ahead and watch complete course. So let me go ahead and start again. So basically this is our course overview. So what we are going to do, as I showed you in the Excel basically, so we are going to cover our Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID both in this course, and it's going to be a real enterprise hybrid lab. So we are going to see the device management, secure access, identity and access management, cloud and hybrid integration with both Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID, and then we are going to also see the policies and compliance. So your complete roadmap of mastering basically Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID with the real world scenario, and this is going to be an enterprise grade configuration and hands-on lab course. So this is what I'm going to cover basically. So this has total 17 module here, which I showed you in Excel also. So first module we are going to see an introduction. So introduction going to have around 8 videos where we are going to see basically introduction about each and everything which we are going to use in our course. So let me show you, for example, we are going to see what is Microsoft Entra ID. We are going to see Microsoft Entra ID administration. Then we are going to see Office 365 admin center. Then we have a Intune administrator. Then we have Azure. So we are going to have a dedicated introduction video on all these before we set up our lab infrastructure. So this is very essential to understand basically. So and then we are going to complete everything like device enrollment, configuration policy, application management. So we are going to complete all these modules with the theoretical covering the complete labs in the demo environment. And then finally we are going to have our basically this is the complete learning roadmap which we are going to cover in this basically throughout this modules. So fundamentals, we are going to understand basically overview, concept, licensing, addition, tenant setup, administrator, role and permissions. Then we are going to have a Microsoft Entra ID essential where we are going to understand what is users group, how to create and manage them. Then we are going to see the device overview, authentication methods, password and security management. And then we are going to have a basically identity and access management where we are going to use the Azure AD Connect basically, which is uh, going to set up our hybrid identity management. And then we are going to see the conditional access, MFA and password protection. Then we are going to follow up with the Microsoft Intune essential. Basically we are going to understand what is Microsoft Intune, and then device enrollment, device management, enrollment method. And then we are going to do a configuration and policy where we are going to create a configuration compliance policy, configuration profiles, and endpoint security and app protection policies. So we will create policies in this module basically. And then we are going to have a apps and update management where we are going to deploy basically app deployments, app protection, Windows updates, and autopilot, Windows autopilot and ESP. And then finally we will also going to cover a advanced and hybrid scenario with basically hybrid join for client machine co-management, monitoring, reporting. And also we are going to basically cover the best practices around Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. So we are going to cover basically Microsoft Intune fundamentals. So build a strong foundation for modern enterprise management and Microsoft Intune. So we are going to see the core concept, core features, benefit, and then we are going to perform everything in lab environment also. Same, we are going to do a Microsoft Entra ID fundamentals also. We will build a strong foundation of modern identity and access management by using the Microsoft Entra ID. And this is our lab basically. So I got my this is our cloud setup where we have signed up with the business premium account. So let me show you. If I go basically here Microsoft Entra ID, and you can see here basically, let me go to here and you can see I got my Microsoft 365 business premium account activated. So this user has this account. So this is my trial account. Let me go to billing and show you your products. So if I scroll down, you should be able to see here basically my product information. So I have signed up with the this name labsandson dot and this is my complete tenant ID. So you can see here Microsoft Entra ID free, which is running currently, and you can see here our Microsoft 365 business premium, and I have assigned one license out of total purchase quantity 25. So in the free basically subscription you will get 25 licenses, and then you can see here the trial licenses. So I highly recommend to set up your trial infrastructure, basically trial license on Microsoft Entra ID and Intune, and do complete labs, basically step-by-step lab which we are going to perform throughout this course. So you will not only understand the theory or watch video, you will actually going to set up the infrastructure just like the production infrastructure. So I highly recommend go ahead and sign up with the trial account with the Microsoft 365 Business Premium, and you will get basically 1 month to test it everything. So this is highly recommended. And then I got my on premises, I got my VMware workstation basically. So, and on the VMware workstation, I'll show you, this is my VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Basically on top of this, I'm running multiple virtual machines. So I have set up all these servers and client machine to cover basically this course, Entra ID course. So if you see here, I got my domain controller Win2K25 DC01, which is has a single domain controller and it's running Active Directory, DNS and DHCP. And then I got file server management, WSUS, SWAC server and CA. And then I got basically client machines also. So 2 client machine for IT, 2 for sales and 2 for HR department. And this is my complete infrastructure. So I got basically multiple servers including 6 client machines, and this is my network infrastructure basically. So I'm using this network in my VMware workstation, which has a internet connectivity also, and my domain name, local domain name is labs.lan. And overview, this has a single site, single domain, Active Directory integrated, and we are going to set up hybrid identity with Microsoft Entra ID, Intune for device management, and file certificate, admin and management services. And we are using Hyper-V for virtualization also. So we have deployed few virtual machines on Hyper-V also, which we are going to consume during throughout this course. So this is my complete infrastructure. So if you don't have too much basically compute to configure all these, I still recommend go ahead and configure with the minimum what your system allow, and do practice with step by step throughout this course. So now skill you will gain here from this course basically. So you will gain basically device management, identity and access management, and security and compliance, and hybrid and cloud integration on both Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. So then certification basically guidance. So if most of the topic which I'm going to cover in both Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID, which will cover Microsoft 365 certified enterprise administrator associates, and identity and access management administrator. And also this course will help you to prepare most of the courses which is based on the Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. So I'll cover most of the topic which is going to cover these two for Microsoft certifications basically. So this is pretty much which I wanted to cover in introduction video. So before we close, what's make this course different from basically other courses? So there are many courses online available that explain the Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. However, many of them are focused only on demonstration to the Microsoft portal without explaining what is happening behind the scene. So some courses covered only cloud environment, other discuss only theoretical part. So many skip the real world implementation process. So this course has designed differently. So instead of simply showing you where you are, where you need to click, and you will understand basically why we are performing each configuration. You will basically we will also discuss what is the problem each feature is going to solve, and you will basically explore the best practices following with the enterprise environment. Most importantly, you will build everything together from scratch, which we are going to do in our lab. So basically, so you will watch every configuration being implemented in the live environment, and you will see how the different Microsoft services integrate with each other. So you will also basically learn how to troubleshoot common issues with the administrator, which administrator basically face on the day-to-day operations. So after successfully completing this course, you will have a practical experience working with same technologies that basically modern organization uses every day. So these skills are highly relevant to the roles such as Microsoft Intune administrator, device or you can say endpoint administrator, of Microsoft 365 administrator, cloud administrator, infrastructure administrator, and endpoint security administrator. So these knowledge, the knowledge which you gained here also going to help you to prepare for Microsoft certification and technical interviews which we discussed. Most importantly, I will prepare you for to basically confidently manage your enterprise environment. So finally, I'm genuinely excited to begin this journey for all of you. So throughout this course, I will share the practical tips, enterprise best practices, troubleshooting techniques, and real world experience, and the lessons learned from working from the working in the production environment. So if you follow every lesson, complete every hands-on lab, and practical do the practical consistently, you will build a strong foundation of Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. So once again, welcome to the Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID complete course. So zero to expert. So see you in the next video now, where we are going to cover the next topic. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos, and if you have any query, any question related to this, you can always subscribe, put on my comments basically. Thank you once again. Bye bye.